You have been learning English for a very long time in your life. But do you realize that you always fail to confidently speak in English? Do you want to know what is the reason? Hi, I am Jyotsna Bidwe, your communication skills and self-awareness coach. And today I am going to explain the deepest secret that we have never been told, that why do we fail in speaking in English even though learning it for a very long time. It's very simple. Do you remember when you were young, what kind of language learning process did you follow? Or if you can take an example of a young child which is born in your family, how does the baby learn to speak a language? So naturally, for the first almost 1 year, the baby is just listening to the sounds around. The parents, the siblings, and other people in the house who are speaking, the child is just listening. But after 1 year, maybe the child starts speaking a few words, mama, baba, kaka. And at the age of 2, the child starts speaking broken sentences, right? A few words, phrases. It's only at the age of 3 to 4 to 5, the child is able to speak fluent in any mother tongue. Be it Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, take any language, Japanese, Spanish, French, any language for that matter. That's the flow of learning a language. So it starts with listening and then you start speaking. But imagine what happens with English. At least I know for the people who belong to my generation, we were introduced English in the 5th grade in regional medium school and we started writing the alphabet. So the process was completely reversed. So when the process is called L, S, R and W, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing, we started it completely opposite. We started writing the alphabet. Then we were taught how to read. And guess what? Nobody ever focused on how to speak. And we don't even know that listening is one skill that you need to master if you want to be fluent in a language. So because we have not learned English in this way, we fail to speak in English confidently. So this is the issue. Now, if you want to change this for yourself, how should you proceed further? Let's start as the baby of English language. Start listening to people around you. Even if you do not listen everything or read everything in English, even if you're watching web series, movies, advertisements, you listen to them carefully. In any language, when people are speaking, they use English words. So start with that. Start a small step. Listen to as much of English as possible. If you like watching web series, watch them in English. If you like reading, read in English. Take one step at a time, and when you get that exposure, you remember I shared with you earlier that a child needs exposure to learn the language. The child needs to listen. In the same way, when you listen, you will automatically start, speaking. So the first step, listen to good English. Okay? Start speaking. I know immediately speaking won't be possible. It would be difficult. You will be very conscious. But can you start adding small words into your communication? Can you start adding small phrases into your communication? And gradually you will improve. I am going to share a lot of tips with you which are going to help you enhance your communication in English, and I'll make it a point that you grow. You do not take as long as I took to understand what is the right process of language learning. So I'm there with you in this journey throughout. But one thing that you need to commit is you follow everything that I tell you to, and you are going to share everything that you go through in this journey, your problems, your wins, your achievements, your concerns, your doubts, anything that you have. You can always share it with me in the comments and I will be replying to you. And make sure that you tell me what is it that you want to learn about English language. And I'll make sure that I make videos on those lines so that you, along with others, grow, and others also are helped because you pointed out something that really can help you enhance your English. Okay, so take care of yourself, keep evolving, keep practicing. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share it with one person who really needs it. Thank you so much.